Banh Chung is a typical traditional dish of Vietnam associated with the Lunar New Year. Legend has it that King Hung held a cake-making competition to offer to his ancestors, in which Banh Chung symbolizes the earth, Banh Day symbolizes the sky. The square cake, with a layer of green dong leaves, sticky rice, green bean filling, and fatty meat, is not only delicious but also contains cultural value, expressing gratitude to ancestors and the tradition of remembering the source of water when drinking. Today, the image of families gathering to wrap Banh Chung is still a beautiful feature during Tet, both strengthening family ties and preserving traditional values. When peeling Banh Chung to enjoy, first peel off the outer layer of leaves. Next, strip the bamboo strings into thin strips, about 4 strips, and place them on the surface of the cake. Then, cover the cake with a plate and gently flip it over to peel off the remaining layer of leaves. When the filling is exposed, hold both ends of each bamboo string and pull slowly so that the bamboo string cuts through the cake. When all the strands are done, the cake will be divided into square pieces, intact without being crushed. This method not only keeps the beautiful shape of the cake, but also makes it easy to enjoy and beautiful, true to the traditional spirit of Tet.